I'm going to do a quick unboxing here first. These are the Lasfit LA Air H11. 70 watts, 35 watts per bulb, 3800 lumens per bulb. A nice 6000K color temperature, 1-year warranty. Lasfit's really good about all their products. They back their stuff, so let's check them out. So you're gonna get the white gloves for installation. Little booklet here on how to install one. I'm gonna show you how to do that anyways. And then, now these are all in one. They don't have a dongle hanging off them. These are really nice feeling. Really nicely machined. Oh yeah. Okay, these look great. They feel really solid in the hand too. Yeah. They look like a box. Just like that. That's what you get. I'm gonna go install these, see how they look. So we're gonna get started here with the Lasfit H11s. And these, you can use the gloves, but I've done this a bunch of times. I'm not gonna wear them. Yeah, let's get these installed. I'm gonna show you really quick on these Kias. So these are the dust caps. All you do, it's a short rotation and then they pop out. There's one for the high beam, one for the low beam. Really easy to access. You don't have to pull apart anything. You just open the hood and away you go. So this dust cap on the outside, on each side, this is your low beam. And all you do, quarter turn towards you, and pops out. Dust cap, put that somewhere where it's not going to fall into your engine bay. And in here, we have the old lights that I'm going to disconnect. Really simple. There's your bare connector now. Reach in, little turn, pull out your old bulbs. Grab your brand new shiny Lasfit LA Air H11s. Get these in. Oh, perfect. Just perfect. And then, actually, you know what? I'm gonna plug these in before I screw it in. And I believe these are non-polarity, so you can just plug them in however you wish. Like that. And just a little turn and done. These are the Lasfit LA Air, the low beams. On a Kia Sorento 2017 EX. Yeah. This looks sick. Here are the Lasfit LA Air low beams, H11. It's a dark laneway and it is very visible. Great visibility, you can see everything. Good visibility out the sides as well, not just straight forward. Yeah, these are really nice. So these are the Lasfit LA Air H11 headlights. Off, on, off, on. That's amazing. It's such a big improvement over the halogens. It's not even funny. And these are the Lasfit LA Airs 2017 Kia Sorento EX. Nice dark road to drive down, and you can see there's no lights here. This is lit up like a Christmas tree. You can see everything. I don't hear any fan either. I know they have a fan. I don't hear anything. Pretty quiet, I guess. Just take a look here. And these are the Lasfit LA Airs. Forward visibility it just makes such a big difference. Everything is lit up. Especially in a really dark area like this. So important if a bear or a coyote runs out in front of you. Awesome. Very happy with these. Alright, so this is some driving with the Lasfit LA Airs, my 2017 Kia Sorento EX, and you can see how nicely these light up the road. It is truly night and day from the halogens that came stock. Now these actually have the worst rated forward lighting for its year in its class, so this really makes a huge difference. I mean, look at that. Absolutely everything. Here we got a little bit of fog. So this is the Lasfit LA Air Plus low beams with Lasfit switchback fog lights. I got them in yellow, so we're going through some fog. That's fantastic amount of light for me. I can see everything. No street lights here. Awesome. Now these are interesting. So for whatever reason, my car, Kia Sorento 2017 EX, the H7 high beams have a specialized retainer clip, and nothing works stock. So you have to have either an aftermarket adapter, and the only ones they make are these flimsy plastic things. But Lasfit has a Pro Series. Pro HK6, 30 watts per bulb, 3000 lumens per bulb, 6000K pure white color. And these are interesting because these have a machined clip. It's not like a plastic thing. This is, so okay, you get your product manual, a whole lack of stickers. Always fun. And look at this. This is cool. I'll show you how they come. Come just like that. That is a solid aluminum. Oh yeah, yeah. So the other ones have a thin plastic retainer clip there. This is, yeah, It's just held on by some O-rings, but that is really nicely machined. Okay, if that works, when this fits in, if this fits nicely, then this is going to be fantastic. Yeah, look at that. Back on, just like that. Awesome. Nothing else will fit that car. This is the only company I've seen that actually makes these, like that come with the headlight, not an aftermarket plastic adapter, like a really nice machined aluminum piece. So I'm gonna put these in, try them out. Okay, now we are installing the Lasfit Pro H7 LED high beams for Kia Sorento Hyundais. There we go. Beautiful. Those. Perfect. All right, let's do it. So this is same as doing the low beams. You just turn this dust cap, and again, it's so easy to access all this on a Kia Sorento. There's nothing in the way. There's nothing you need to remove, pull out, nothing. So I'm going to take out my old bulbs and show you just how janky the clip holding them in is. It is terrible. Look at that. Whole bunch of O-rings, and it's not even straight. It's so hard to get that to fit. It's terrible. Okay, so that literally took about 5 minutes of fighting with it because it has a gigantic dongle that has to go in that dust cap as well. It has to fit in there. Nice thing about the Lasfits, this is it. This is all you get. Wire. No big dongle. Now let's fit these in. Should be very simple. Oh, that is so much better. That's it. One turn. You just can connect it into here. Push everything back in. And close up your dust cap. Alright, now these are the high beam on the 2017 Kia Sorento EX. These are the Lasfit LS Plus, specifically for this car. Oh yeah, let's put out the light. Okay, pitch black laneway. I'm gonna try out the Lasfit LS Plus high beams, Kia Sorento 2017. Yeah, those are bright. Definitely see everything. Turn them on, back on. Damn, that's awesome. We're gonna try out the Lasfit LA Plus, LS Plus high beams. These are specific for a Kia Sorento, and these put out an insane amount of light. Like, there's no street lights here. There's nothing. It's a bit foggy, and these are bright. Yeah, here, I'll turn them off. These are the Lasfit LS Plus high beams, specific for the Kia Sorento. Look at that. That's just insane. That is just such a big improvement. It's crazy. punching through the fog here. Still see quite a ways ahead. Yeah, those are the high beams. Those are fantastic. It's not, I mean, it's not even comparable. There's not a lot of street signs. This is such a dark rural area, but I mean, every mailbox down the way is getting reflected. Yeah, these are bright. These are really bright.